Attitude, Super Leaves Science, Natural Shampoo, Nourishing, and Strengthening, Grapeseed Oil and Olive Leaves, 16 ounces, 473 milliliters. Product Overview Description. Live Consciously repairs, strengthens, protects, restores and strengthens dry and damaged hair. Hypoallergenic, dermatologically tested, anti-pollution, EWG verified for your health. Worry-free ingredients: CO2 neutral, cruelty-free and vegan. Leaping Bunny Ecologo. Watercress and Indian cress super leaves are known for their regenerative abilities and for being high in minerals, vitamins and growth factors. These powerful elements are extracted and used in our formulas to strengthen and revitalize hair, from root to end. Anti-pollution, ingredients contained in this product decrease the adhesion of pollutants and detoxify hair and scalp. All added ingredients are free of cancer-causing chemicals, mutagens, and endocrine disruptors, which are still legally tolerated contaminants in personal care products. Suggested use: apply to wet hair, lather, then rinse. Other ingredients: aqua, water, sodium cocoa sulfate, cocoa glucoside, vegetable glycerin, sodium coclizethynate, lauryl glucoside, stearyl citrate, citric acid, panthenol, vitamin B5, glycerol-oleate, sodium benzoate, inulin, potassium sorbate, nasturtium officinal, watercress, cressin, extract, tropaeolum magus, Indian cress, capucine, extract, maltodextrin, moringa oleifera seed extract, vitis vinifera, grape, raisin, seed oil, olea europea, olive, leaf extract, hexyl salicylate, floral, geranyl acetate, floral, methyl dihydrojasmine jasmine. Warnings. For external use only. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.